I was going to come on and free, and I'm a happy belated birthday to Mrs. Gloria Sapon Agbodoku of ADB Prempeh, the 2nd Street branch, Kumasi. I say, Almighty God bless you and your family with long, healthy life. From your dad, Senior Chief Officer J. Sapon, retired of Central Prisons. Your mom, Chief Inspector Lucy Chirewa of Ghana Police Service. Buakwa, and of course from all your husband and the rest of the family, Mr. Eric Yao Agbodoku, and your siblings. I say we wish you a sweet, happy birthday, and then your day, enjoy it and have fun. I mean, a show. Okay. I wish I'm not saying Kunyana for you, my Ghana, or twins of any no. Alex Kwaku Asafo J, a Deputy Ashanti Regional Communications Officer. Emma, the largest opposition party, NDC, or Baba Kainsa, or 100 hours now, looking very handsome. Alex Mwakabano pay. Boko dear.
Oh, Kidiam Padaroma.
Then I mean, as an Ashanti Region citizen.
Oh, Bibia Boko. The no me go up and say, you beat me out city, a ban we are there, which any have been a dear.
So, Mutua by 2020.
Quite bias. So, you need choice. Now, Eki, Ushe, as a try woman need. Said the catastrophe share prayer any dream can do crow mine. Ye to petrol my honchre or more moko council. Unimself for the first time. And cremofo moko Hajj. The most expensive Hajj. Ayako ASABRI.
Last year, say.
Last year, we saw mom saying 15,000.
15,000.
Or more fan 12,000. On be fan 12,000.
That was 2017.
12,000 in 2016.
2016. To abandon by 2017.
Until Omo fan 12,000. From 12,000 now, I know because I do almost 20,000.
I'm kind of 15,000.
That be last year. This year's all my
it's only 5,000 account.
Yes, I had 19,500. Until so he'll be oti Kumasia. Obefa passion abakutuka. What the can I say?
So dynamics this is sound. Go FA any additional.
FA ben. I abina said yes or manage dollar nana meboa. Dr. Mahmoud Baumio ye Cremonia and Nam Kuran so no abe vice president no. Ono na ye the head of the economic management team.
Kuran onam Kuran so be vice president.
Oh na so ka say ye nto aba man no fa Kuran mra Flagstaff house. Orefi. Nye ono ane kan. Oye ne campaign wanti.
So the Kuran
so say ye nto aba emfa ma ono. Said ye be obe representing Kremufo interest e wo the seat of government. It was part of his campaign.
No
problem. And until I was saying, continue making sure say, as head of the economic management team, no, said your case 100 days, watch $1 no. Edi na kwa share says a local no, or the Kiyakoma IGP no. Naka also share $1 into me and view. Said the Bayan can claim phone hard no more con. Exchange rate in the better form. Nanka metia less. At Miyako Bompire mo my gun.
Alex, a young says a party oppositioner. And the amount of the board that will know to comfort himself, he didn't so to Abamano. It's almost the same. $60 exchange rate.
Debbie.
Pachombo.
And you the same.
Unemployment rate. Your woman some echo form. Near the corruption start Tagaban coming up for your coin.
In fact, corruption Tagia will be the corruption at Tagia. You see, when the issues are there, it can say Moma and Canocre. Or more Mokase, Katasi share pro any dream air cost or by one way and this for Ghana Cylinder Manufacturing Company, and no more board. And a suspending Mammy Francis is here. NY, the year ban and saying, and yet deputy, 2 deputies, no, and about one thing, crab, Moma granting interview. A claims or mum the blow whistle, no. Said your boss on a no bokrono. Now, sports minister, no cranim. Me was ANDC for. Let us be fair. Let us be honest. US ambassador Becca say, or cross the US for no more a reporting system or more embassy. And he said, but no mobile investment no cover be na ye gene bribe ni those things are. One co reporting as a ban actual create me do call back eco prosecute too. So they report to their high commission. Or they are better about things say corruption or money me bribery ni no my cost no. It is deterring or move chrome for Ghana or mobile investment. Nancy and Netherlands ambassador Obeka be on so NDC ni. Nyahotamakulu or NDC ni. A software e kasa no mo NDC for. Transparency International mo NDC for. And to say a bind where I and said the air can on the own tea, when you are instead so obey addressing issues nankasano, or baba to say, Sebe, the opponents, BBI and the opponents are President Kufuor Namu, miscellaneous deal, a very renegotiated deal. Our move bloating by $800 million. No one Rebecca said he was misled. I am Namswa, Yasaki Ura, Bocheja, Kumo, a pulley deal on the back. Enti eno so on man pani na nkasa so na ono hu say act of corruption was a renegotiated deal no ono so ye wadane ne ho ne opponent you say do ba bi o man pani mu should credit us with intelligence. Omo hu say Ghana for enim nyansa kakra. Because there are cases where Australia visa scandal. Who now can ya na say me na me kan. No Australian authorities in the kan. Amudi nipa 60. Ako eketi a ode ne be ko say oyen centro ni wan fa na nko. Akwa abobloshi. Ako dada obi oton phones. Esam fifiri agi ni sika. Ako je visa ama no. Okoduru ye na broni no kan risk kontomre o kan brofo kire na ontimi responde. Ene ye che ne say oyen centro ni. Ye deport omo. Ti abani ditum say ampa bone koso. Didn't you suspend Pius Ajide? Okay, didn't you suspend no? Almost suspended for wrongdoing because on one minister at the report command presidency say a Pius and a lady sa adi ni nyina. Ana nanse a omampani wo so why hwehwe move from. And we move from no, o dey clear Pius akwa na deputy information minister. The odi bone no so a fabra wo say opponents town tin ye kasa. Ebeda na opponents at town. Wa deputy general secretary nanse ya. Owura obi buan. What's my for Abansika 5 million Ghana cedis from the seat of government? They acquire delegate conference. More than 1,000 cedis per. Ntiya and what they have 2 abonting. The instead so be fighting on. Also, Konako say one on a pie or pacho. O pacho and oban also none a pie no mukasa monkasama party no crabby. Okay. And that was the end. Ghana assisting. Ghana assisting. Ghana assisting. So Ghana assisting.
Alex. Yeah, stick to the topics now we don't come on. And no, I need to for central for shame.
Yes.
What can SMP we don't want to pay more documents by our own.
I'm a home cratawa. Sentina o kana me statement in the crown say you see yeah
or said you can't in your bonnet offer to your hoodie number for some much. PDS no sense when the president called Ghana Bar Association conference also and was a candidate for the Nano Jordan. Also one year clearing agent in our teaching. Now one was someone work at one and the PC do command.
Dear him. Emudia.
Oh, say we clearing agent is no credit.
Not you. And ye near so or ye clearing agent too. O mampani ankasa no. Say ye fuck at as a shiny proye any dream one. Nanka a football. Anka or ye Sergio Ramos.
Ade.
What done in the home defender? What done in the home defender? Say issue ni buy na no person or clear free go post him. Mame Francis is here may repeat me more classical examples. On one board, I know Muya Juma, wa President Akufo-Addo now constitute 2 board. And the issues by better about things. There be Mameno or far a quine bonnet so tone a Jumanaja padie. In fact, a do or crowd a year board no or moya mane. Enti say I'm shiny and China swan or be good Ghana and Muasi. Enti Mameno, ya suspending and yan a buy. Energy Minister set up a committee to investigate the woman. President that's what also Mami Francis say moya me doba also many Marine State
President kind.
Now saying na men can say there be na men can say men coaching no me kama sem men coaching eh ne doba say nyo doba obi a wadi bone aboard that suspending na minister at committee say investigating o that's what say board no mo be blow whistle no am won say kata se ne pro any dream air course no what dissolve board no gu no mo nkotena fie ma me ne san konkoye adwuma without say a be investigation say any investigation onye clearing agent me busa boss owura Alfred Obin 5 million liters of contaminated fuel NPA a regulatory body a wa point in down no issue statement say owura Alfred Obin afa kwati kwanso na aton sa 5 million liters of contaminated fuel na almost 2.8 million Ghana cedis 28 billion wabubu ye regulations na so wasan bubu procurement law so MPA for na issues a statement no enti yentwe na so energy minister Bochaja Consent committee including BNI say be investigate owura Alfred Obin ade chin ya 2 days pepepe na BNI for na omo ka committee no omatwa omo say ya hwehwemu no ya boni bia nim ya clear owura Alfred Obin even before BNI for clearance no so obeka ya August 2018 Jubilee House president meet the press mo colleague baku busa no on Alfred Obin issue no also on the ohun say Alfred Obin ya boni bia je say was etimi epe emra na etimi regulate boss nyesa no kan enyesa no kan baby busa say enya yedi nkomo sa no kan na clear Alfred Obin ti e ka so ye clearing agent na obuafu na watiku apai o ye corruption mu Sergio Ramos
Says document, says court.
Says a court, but now we also court in a confer on him.
So you can be a crime for Brown.
Me say, when cast a crime for me, so or corruption. Your definition for corruption. Your dream, catastrophe. So what I say, and yet at the end of the morally, you can even be corrupt. Corruption, your financial corruption. You can corruption and your financial corruption. Australia visa scandal. A classical example. Report to them so modia clear pious agidine.
And then the issue of PDS.
PDS. And ya yemponi ekase katasisheni proye umu. Eye energy minister. Owura eye Peter Mewu. And Rebecca say, kwan omu faswa omu take over ECG no. Eye fraudulent. Catch them say meboa. In fact, Deputy National Communications Director of this ruling party, Owura Richard Nyama, a press conference say, MIDA F4G Energy Commission ni PURC for letter S and the year PDS take over. Met me the press conference and he's a member of this government, a senior member at that. What they are not to Chaya and Brucery committee report what can it be? What can it be? Okay, so say a settled issue no cry. It is the Owura Mewu kind from the onset and it is true. Because I could for no any Owura Brucery mun come over the Oma Chronicle Bibia, I could force number 1. Sad demand guarantee of $350 million no. Okay. Omaduma nankasa omo ye ni nyina no. Enru $350 million. Talk of say omo kra be omadwen say omo koye sa transaction in the first place. Etosu bio nipa no a yeso o issue sa krata no omo de be present Ghana ha as demand guarantee. Said the American insurance whatever guarantee no. Sa nipa no ankasa no on the capacity so be sa de no. Enti de omo kama ni kosi ye nyina ni say kwanya sa krata na ankasa bedi ha no eye fraudulent. Enti these are the issues. And yes obi na ti baabi and also on power mampani asem and all nsem. Some of them are allegations being made by members of this government. And a typical example is the PDS. The energy minister is on record. Say a fraud. Owura a Richard Nyama or a deputy national communications director. Or so what dance DHR say MIDA, which includes even the attorney general money, energy minister mono, a 4J energy commission letterhead, PURC letterhead, and omode aye PDS takeover. Enti se we ba na se ye kan na so mampani bufu se obi eboapa no mpenasem no ye sa de na memene ne nya adwen.
Enti headline which is NDC struggles to nail Akufo-Addo over.
Who is struggling? Cash for seat. Cash for seat. Me ba me share that the letter we buy.
Letter man.
And this is a letter we me be share on some now our here. And this is a letter Expatriate Business Awards on the letterhead of Trade Ministry signed by Deputy Trade Minister Owura Kalons Ahenkra. In fact, se obe kaya time cash for seat saga we buy ya na ye kan ho asem say omampani so oba be ya award bi na award no mo ba be ye no wa wo pese o teno omampani nchen say ye je $100,000 which is 500,000 Ghana cedis. Teteno 5 billion. Initially they were denying. Ebe ka say president no kro hwem no enye President Akufo-Addo name meye Ashim Martin ono ne company na organize the event na wo betu $1,000 class or kotra Ashim Martin chen mi buza ya ka say ko dinner ko tu $1,000 $500 class kotra Ashim Martin in chen obey talk of $100,000. In fact, before I ever set up the parliamentary bipartisan probe no omampani sham August na Jubilee House president meet the press wa obi busa no o say ye frivolous ohun ade bi ewom no no kra no o adamfo Lebanese ni bia no o tene nchen wo program na se o ta kon ho ekodidi anajo nyesa na o kan no obotugu ye enti minister ben na ye MP a ono ana MP ben no ye MPP ni a after president aka say san hwehwemu we enkosi ba bia hu hia no obetimi anya that audacity say or the report be ba aba be shoot down what the president has said. The president even cleared the trade ministry of any wrongdoing. And in fact, share here in NBO TV so. Admissions were made, people were paid money, but they were not forced. And later they have provided accounts, they have provided telephone numbers. Anybody able to see Kanako. Ghana assisted. Move Brazil 20 million Ghana cedis, 200 billion from corporate Ghana. But later, a letter came out omo kyerɛ sɛ omo yi aban sika mtroma MMDCs ne ayi ni nyina district assemblies MDAs no so omo mfa sika mra to a tune of 5 million Ghana cedis e ma ye ka sɛ mo hyɛ bo sɛ mo mfa aban sika nka ho ene 5 million na mo de ka no free hen Unibank donate ye bust at the 1 million Ghana cedis buy. In fact, state agencies be crowd donate from corporate Ghana. So mobile base state libraries. A 1 year long celebration. Okay. And can help it match me by a library in the war. And can have me by a library in the war. So these are issues and you be and a baby and nobody team. Share a Ghana card. Canada, Japan, on one member of parliament, and a better TV to say, what the investors buy, I know so by Yamay, add the $50 million pay. Nemum, Ora can atefa kwaje bribe a few papa be a friend and margins was I say. And no, I said that the contract in Amano are inflating to a tune of $1.2 billion. Shamanu ye.
What you prove? Was there any evidence?
And Yamasem. I almost said, David, Bomo teacher Fin so I say, catch resident. You see, may more classical examples.
Be a party member.
No, may more classical examples. Any NDC for an media station being a allegation at your company. Canada, Japan, say, or a member of parliament who was you know the investors buy for that project. I'm some by Yama free or my big crowd in India with a population bigger than what they are doing in Ghana for $50 million. Am I inflating a con 1.2 billion? A trillions scan mean to me fan call a $1.2 billion. Minim says our card no ye the best slotty gate war heaven near the Bia course right him. Say the gold crown eba I don't even know. Kennedy never kind. Kennedy Japan Korea Tradum TV say on only investors a bad Jubilee House. Otia a booking fee of $20,000. And ye Busano. Sir President, you are committed to fight corruption. I don't know Juma.
Now, someone can mama. Deep-seated member of MPP like Kennedy Japan. No, Jubilee House. Go to 20,000. I'm a wine. Why would you say Scanamano? And no, yet for the presidency. The view. So the Jubilee House. So because someone, the fact that Nipa say when Nipa say doesn't mean that you can. Let's also. Mamma say me to her. Meti hey. Na ebia yaba power 2020. Na mako Jubilee House me ko President Mahama so answer na obi na just $2,000 na say me babet na party ba o it doesn't matter na time almost start CZ cars abronya me ka say Lord come mo tonton cars let's be stop bringing so that Kennedy na abeka enti say mo central for who requested for that $20,000 eno de ebusa no na wo musa no me a wo babu dem na wo dey submit me my allegation who so be say look it is not my duty. Omampani say we are committed to fight corruption. And in a member of parliament, abeya allegation say yedi din jiska say onim so onim minim. Dia na ese say omampani ye. Dia also omampani ye na wo pese memenye. Eki, dia also omampani ne ye no. Wo pese asafo je ne nkoy. Sa asem no wo kan wa je di say e no. Ma je di because oya allegation no anoma ba kra me challenge ye. To wasum.
Dabi na ejina hwen what wo ye den. Enya no kra won issue statement eh. Me busa enya no kra eno an say my issue statement asema kan no boa GRA for say 2018 last year you lose 2 billion Ghana cedis through unlawful port activities Abrapi Palace war corruption 2 billion CDD for say you lose 9.6 billion almost NDC for almost so NDC for and some amakan ya malisti bebrebe wa fertilizer worth $12 million yes ya smuggle ni ade and why NDC for enti omampani and catch up with the reality now who say and somebody be wa me tie no asopam hwe anas expose ya oye nyantachi di a omampani say on tia say nyantachi e de ni din e koye deal na hwe omo hwe UTV ne bia omo kofo owura nyantachi ni statement na o issue ya or the apologize here no in one paragraph or say one exercise a good sense of discretion na no nim say only genuine businessmen and an diligence and okay and a ma okay can ansem no what it presumes is that say yes a tija all that he said no meaning so what I say say yes a tija dia no only o free na kumam and no mo ye business real business. What I say? But omuye fake atidenti wo hu say odi nkwase asem se na no kura bi wo ho kra na wo say nkotwentwen so mani dru ba bi ansa na waka
Alex Asafoje bi
omampani mesi form omampani koye case against Owura Kwesi Nyantakyi sa case na kosi sen apart from FIFA sanctions I dey ama Owura Kwesi Nyantakyi no aban went to anamon bia o anas expose no apart from FIFA sanctions I dey ma Kwesi Nyantakyi no aban we ankasa nya bibia against Owura Kwesi Nyantakyi anas e dey Charles Bisu any andimu de ba ya video no lie omampani wo opposition so the anas principle be tia kromfo ene de oba no wo che wa point is a obu afu watiko apai enam so o meso le na o hyefom
me da say Alex mama ya duma ko be fi akoba opa man ko aba
me de so me
se boko de
nyamiado
if you so the din
fi boko
ajan ko yenu ba bia sha ye hwe and for press conference omo ye ne se campaign sam ko ka no se candidate party for corruption na dia Asafoje say ne corruption related cases be about say ye di hu komo na on tini we biase to oba de obaji brana wa cheche mu kakra
yo me da sipi ma me nchiatifo na yense nyame asomdwe mfa mo man menya ne ntie se ma me ba ko eye Faustina Nelson ene ne birthday nti nyame famfie nka no Michelle P.
Faustina Nelson NDC.
Yes. She's such a wonderful mother. Yes.
Mommy, na happy birthday in 19 kwa.
Na me ni di kan no. On say the message say radio so kasa. Say o ke bi kwa na TV so TV so. And na hu so edi nkwase asem too raw. Me wa fa kwa me adofo ka kire me say political communication. Yem fa temidie, yem fa komahye, yem fa ni bre, yem fa time fanye. Bra from nipa na etie o. Omo manyini chen wo, omo mo kire wade na wade enyimde ayaba ho. De atoso mi nua abrantie kasa ka fe de odu baabie no. Ntokwa be no so na to ni akeka na Ghana at 50. Ghana at 50 mote ho committee yes a commission.
Ghana assist.
Excuse me.
Men can Ghana you are quoting me. Mr. Ghana assistant. Man can tell me Ghana at 50.
Mr. But we show respect.
Respect na there.
Oh,
you are quoting me. You were talking like that. But I will not just keep about you to misquote me.
Just keep quiet.
Yes. Just keep quiet. Just keep quiet. Program now offer me
back. When all Kassan when was spewing that kind of thing
wrongly, I kept quiet. Who quoted me wrongly? I'll come in. Mr. Ghana assisting.
You did quote so many things and then your papa. But because I'm reasonable, I contained it. Don't take your people and write it. What Kasano? Niema what Kasa Mira wo ye nyina no. I wrote everything down. Then let us show respect to the man. Let us go. You should be quiet. Respect is part of communication. Who poster? Non-verbal communication. It speaks more. Minia, the kind or started testimony and a Kennedy Japan, Unti ni yepa. Sesania de Canadia, Henny and Samuel. Don't elect a corrupt and incompetent leader. Spugabra charges NDC. Joy News, room October 17, 2018. Number on the Mama year air contestant was why you corrupt. Yanya Nunimiboa. Mama second coming. I don't get it. Nunu Mensa, 23rd November 2008. Peace FM online. And yanyini, Muamu Penifo. If it's anything to go by there, Mama's government was an animal farm administration. Back when, year June 12, 2018. Graphic.com Ghana. Honum. Sanon yanyini di head ya. Mini anaka ensemo. Incompetent Mama can lead NDC in 2020. NDC MP Joseph Nabu Biboba. My Joy FM online. No so no 22nd March 2017. No crowd that time no na enumere no 9. Say no person you can is idea. And common sem bebrebe ke beka. But me nua enura press conference you say omo ekoye no. Me hu ni say edu nketia. Eyem sa tenka bia wanya. Ene wo nom so eboje no so be device no. The vice presidential you know and our launch here. But the MSC say pro Kopokun Crawford so din attempt say Brofo Kran and anonin smoke okay kan Krobu NDC and Masi. And Brofo Yantrama. They started. Oh na minia wanti. You know be kasa kufu the acquired assent. Yes, na dey ben yesu ayen acquire. Nti ano kran won te dey work can say. They me then say NDC for no so omo person be vice no. Omo so din attempt say no press conference no dey launch no kran no ogufui. They tosu bi on so a ya na ye ngwanwa ni say ye wo a fallacy a reasoning you're begging the question fallacy what you say enu bi ena nura wo ye o state question in such a way say ade ne ye no kre obra nye no kre ebi ni say nana MPP nana Akufo-Addo say ne nkrofo no obi anye corrupt nana lister say obi akra yate sese no wa abobodi say san nkrofo yare fair into a figment of his own imagination the atosum yenu osako ma hasty generalization say asofo Ghana nyina akra age atom Ghana fo nyina age atom enu owie ye no as typical of them and some no buru am so MPP for mpanimfo bi say hwan nya hota makro ye mama offer eno mo promise ni say ye nyina hin boss site no obedi bi wa mo nya no de ani bre na kasa enti hwan
eno nya free
asema maka na da bi ai ana onya ntei yemfa no
uti free
yemfa me see before the election 2016 no John Mama ni Ibrahim Mama eni no ekoye meeting wa show my estate a hot information ko pie ye it is doing so out of bitterness meanwhile Nyahota Makluka is suspended in 2016 but if you no
na you rev say Nyahota Makluka Dr. Nyahota Makluka can answer me we fan member of the
and na make catch say you suspended no to real officer Bonsam no the Lucifer and no ye evil nyame bob Bonsam Lucifer and no ye
yin ni free party no ya
twelve
ya ka some yen san ko ni nkyeremu ye
o de member no hia ye hia the corruption on maka no when I finish I'll get back to that mama nko ensem so menia nya mpesa meka e ma wo mo atiase ni say asiedu nkati asem ba ko kan ni say we are talking about current issue na nya de atwam sasampo na tie dia wo uni ball bo pa asem park na ball ekball say di ka bo first half asani abo second half enti sasani ye kan dia enipa duonu ba ko na ho na se ke ko masemo no asako kan se biza na MPP for no kra say ya chi nipa enti no no ade a o fight enya sa onu asset no question mo mo said abrantie tie a o yiya no akeka but media nanka I didn't want to go tangent nebo me mamanfo atiase ne awia ma kire solution anamo ye tuo onso onka enya se ye keka mo aka bi ato so oboase go die fai e ba ye no na nya de kre mukosu ko pa cha parliament benyu ado ni fifikwete enti we no is it new enya musuban modern some trauma for su kumo mo champion nom e ba pem na mutumi substantiate ya ba yesemo ya kromfo ade mutum mu matimi di yatum da but me ne atie nie pa ne di kan nipa mienu a sese no ma yi wo manim na Akufo-Addo obegina mayen mama obegina mayen DC owura fi se eye matiami du ya akokan se plane bia mama kotoye professor me set committee say investigate no say report be ma na papa no fast ewuye eno ho asem ye jama da achen eni nchirima na Akufo-Addo oye adwuma da Akufo what is he investigating that is point number 1 point number 2 okwaje Ford at say na Akufo-Addo aje Ford ade ado profinity number 3 ekwanya mo fa so a merchant bank etri fa so ma onua no sanko kan ye no what is Akufo-Addo aye bi da bi da emre omo lusu kura ndisi ya lusu omo lusu efa akwan bi so kofa nyina hi box side e de mama court adaruma ne Akufo-Addo adaruma e ne agya magana what is na akoye bi da by their fruits you shall know them some year this nya kama ferry some corruption asem no ma bani wase nuem ofia no to nchen hwe o ka clearing agent sami pa na Akufo-Addo clear say o de betena se Elvis free yankra okotena si sui buebuei koja duasare osui Elvis ye ne say minister of state koja duasare no so office of the president and o me adwuma and no typical case na minia he who is talking see who is talking asiedun katia conflict of interest be na tell so we board chairman na one kasa wo di tumi ama ho na utwa blocks and this never saw anything wrong about that say me party nia when this
project no
yes Odia no to nchenya move office kura na branch ewi okotena akwaje mframa no mu office ka kura bepem ne Ghana fo antiase corruption no biro no eti sam ya mu akama kata bemani odia no to nchenya memra ne ma bi so na menua yenhwe na fe yenko obeka se wu adako oka se eye uduyaya we di 74 million or bust eni ti ye dissolve wo mayi no eho asem kosi sen se yase ye ka dia nka na wo nka bi da but nyabotre
ana party ba na omaye ne den
oh enipa 21 ejina court
it's a lie
professor made mention of some names you know Sunday would you am boy maye den
o say yayi o mo den professor Mills asmo kan ni say emra eye boko na so be ka chew 21 nyabotre enti enso obi anko emra na eye adwuma one man nya investigation tie buy na this one say we are investigating and provided nyabotre odi ya no to nche ya minia ade ba ko ya misiri kura kese ni say Obi onu kopu owu adura ba so mpafi. Ya do opuni akogina court, emrade na akogina court. Mama ne asie du nketia. Leading campaigns omo adisi mu ekogya omo e wo court. Anya nim guase. Na say nipa you can trust them. Obi a corrupt.
Na dem say e do asan kokoto so wadi for.
Metiase. Se sa na tie dia nkia no hu na edeka. Wo a ogina court kura wo ni fo. Na me ase adoma ko ba fi hu nya fe me ne yakobo ma.
Yawe.
Nyabotre me ba.
Uye minua.
Meso ye minua.
Wonya asem se bia si ya ABC. Nje ni ko jase ni bia. Na me kokogya na de.
Wasem na wo ka no etwasum ti na me po asem no. Na susuna pa se de wono ankasa onu gina senia bia no. Wono kura utimi nya ni wo be gina wo ka se mo de mo nye corrupt. Na me a de asem ato bi so no. Me na me corrupt. Enso mama kodi na chi. De etosu bienu. Convicted criminals. Mama appointed wo mo. Ibrahim Adams no da ADB. Me ofa kwan pepra no da snake. Ejesipa yanki no da Ghana gas. Mumunim corruption. You were born and bred out of corruption. Mumunim corruption. Many amaka ni say wie no. Yanhwe corruption edo how ba o man no mu. Yempe. NDC adim fie me breche party bia o man mu. 27 years of PNDC NDC. Mo ano na mo dey fight corruption. Again say ye strengthen institutions like Obama said. Muntimi. Under President Kufuor ye na the whistleblowers act by. Ye wi anye dede ene ye. Kan dey motima ye to fight corruption. Ye na the whistleblowers act by. Ye na the financial administration act by. Ye na the audit service act by. Ye na the procurement act e by. So procurement won tia say a typical example near see edun ketia de. And so you saw nothing wrong. Na ya na me jan so omo na no omo press or na no omo contrast ni asoma nkropo bia begu. Na for some perform no mo sha ase ne tia. Ni abusa omo. You think people are smarter than Ghanaians? Yes, amo. Odi ano to nchanya yen and ye the repeal of the criminal label. Sanya central for ho be ye den na ma hwehwe nsem num. Na de dan ko akufu ado ba ye minua. Ye bon to ano as part of a year be fight corruption no. Ye can say ye the office of the special prosecutor be ba ye. Ye de aba. O hwa obeye na dwuma. Munya butre. Odi ano to nchanya information bill amudi dwam num 2008. Mo kan ho asem se mo ba ya. Mo de be ye dwuma. Mo atimi anyamra no. Ye be ye samra no. So we are talking about seminia and you still seeing in your strength no. Say you are not kekani ya kan sema to obi so any NDC for go home wedding. E dey be na NDC for ntimi ankan wu afrifa. Wo man kan wu a champion so free mampon. Afrifa free mampon. Me take kura so busuani no. Be pem ne no party no yes mo ya kromfo.
I have no relationship with General Frifa.
Me dey me say me
take.
Me say me take.
Some of these things in communication can be avoided.
Na mom say nyina no ye nyina sakirefo. E na free mampon.
Enye no ne ka wa
free mampon. And yes so abusua pani ye kromfo. E na bukun no. Be pem na matma substantiate. That is what I'm talking about.
Na bush of any say.
Oh free mampon.
Free mampon.
Enti me frase kori. Susu bi krobia na nam to so am sorry. Wonya ne de hye ne me. And enti na de wo dwana free home.
Na free for
because dem ye
a free for your hene. Logic Ben Adeba.
Maybe I'm not talking about so.
You are confused.
You
are confused. Na ya ti kroma yi. Na ya ti no, this kind of communication ya ke you are here, you just want to
I'm denigrating him. Yes, what's the yes, that is what you are doing. Me at time for your bush. Can say a free fine yashi and our party no kuno. And now also I'm denigrating the nice you are still supporting the wicked allegation about to a free fast. You are rather denigrating him. You are rather denigrating him. Womb now denigrating you are not profound like I said, don't catch up to papa one. But me, I may trust him. Yen this amra we say, ye de buy. Hwe na na kufuado ogina ho a okasa no o hwe ni poster so okwaje visa emrofo no hwe anim o kasa yetiri yesa kwemfa mawo se mama ekwaje visa ni bi na na akwaje visa bi kede mawo na obi okwaje BBC yes are you corrupt me as a human being na da do na je anyamani wu because no ayam na bruso say allegation and this the allegation be kunkum nipa one approach no and this allegation beto yeso chi nkrofo 19 obi ankodem yes allegation kra na ye kan 2000 say mo ye sabe mo di o man no dwiru no me nua ye baaye no mo kodem yes ko opposition bio we ka say mo ye corrupt no ye baaye no me mobile list ni nkirew ye ka say metum rechi so ko masloga ye said nam Christine Tamaklu Wani Daniel Azim. There me sire kesian so kura ni say, mon ministers and MPs then na omo je double you know. There be aso am Jubilee House ready this sun kopa chew. Ba ye de yan kan ho say mrad ba ye dwuma. Mon ministers over 40 of them no omo je parliament akatua SIG we so akatua. Mo je
your list no.
Terie Oba NCA Eugene Bafumoni, William Matthew Tete, Nana Osu, Alhaji Salifu George Derrick Opong, Oba Venture Capital, Kofi Dukun, where are you known? Kofi Dukun, now they don't have a chance. Nabotre, oh, do my.
What is the Ebinya
Charity Opoku?
The list I'll do today. Ebinya appointee. Ebi a civil servant.
Oh, you
and that is what I want to prove to you. Where for my
Messi. And the Thompson where they be.
No, a board chairman Senate. Omo maka nyina they are all workers. They are all workers at Senate.
You're listening. Alex.
Most former officials. These are not former officials.
I'll give you the time to Please.
The American say, one more and the mama, Omo Bokrono. And now you say,
no,
I'm sorry.
That's not what the president said.
Omo Bokrono.
I don't know what
Cocoa board. Stephen Opuni. Sedu Agungu. What you say? Oba Senate.
Sedu Agungu for my point. Sedu Agungu for my point.
One time they see
Obodi.
One time they see. One time they see.
I'm going to say former official. That's what the president said.
Twaso.
That meant Twaso. Or Kuko bet to be your moderate it. Dabi, Mr. Moderate it well.
Okay,
on Fabu family pa. Or Casa de no need to just may say the challenge in say 27 years, wasted years, no. Tell me one single attempt about their fighting corruption. Makika be that. 1 year 21, any you can just go through it. What you say, much in 19. Independent Yamadu Omokoy under President Kufon. Woman and ministers.
And she started Nipa 21 justification say you are fighting corruption.
Oh, say,
who can't go see
Dabi, Mr. You may matrasi with that. It won't mean set agenda for
me. Agenda.
Listen,
question me busa.
Oh, question busa. Minimum say you are playing devil's advocate, and I'm ready for that.
No,
one, Machio say when it comes to law, ye ni abanya, ye party ye ba to be fighting. Number two, Machio say ye ba ye investigation in Nipa Kujina in Yebia. So I'm so try so I ye. And the Masama Chiro say conflict of interest crown ye can once more. A see dun ketia a block as a board chairman. They saw nothing wrong. And the Macho say president now the then president Mama no Ankasano. Walk na ho Emma ye say plain or koto ye no. Muamu party. Ye take commission here with and a professor Missy the Wuye. Ubet Makabia for the Kufuado. Now NDC for no prior to the election after they lost no. One said that ye visa Kosibochi report. They went and engaged the service of some experts who South Africa or communication. And near Mom the man just said the only one to capture 2020 election. They say one, corruption of Jariwomo. They should turn it against Nana Kufuado. That is number one. Number two, state of insecurity. And so among Kika, Nento Amphosum, Obra Africa, ye cast your tossum 9, a bibrema a tossum, you know. And Nam says South African consultants, no, at the moment to Omoka. They should infiltrate the security. Eti anyam nwanwase for some of Kojino Koka say Ghana police for DH. They are toso 9. They should also make sure say media no one be semo. But minim say eke me no ye dwumache. Media no you obi na be kutu. And they are toso num say one mbodran say eye driver for eye nurses eye dwumae for any chese kwa hudo nyina no wo muram. Na more importantly no yen say Kufuado nipadua. Na Kufuado Sabi, corruption asema yeka no. Yeka immune system.
Who make reference to Dr. Kwesibochi report?
They say, one said that Bejina Ghana for him see a Kwesibochi report no. And I clandestinely, one for South African food. And one yes, I in the Diamo.
You start reporting Dr. Kwesibochi.
Kwesibochi report.
Some information.
Professor Kwesibochi, were a decent man. Why?
You start reporting now, but he says, saying the number and anything doing Kukunche.
What's it there? We say no. There's nothing new under the sun. What was his here, young Casano? Then to Tuana Monye. What damn Mukran will be any to
ya? What can say you no mean just here? Number one. Also, Dr. Kwesibochi report.
Oh, Nyabutre, me say
South African family.
One, yes, no, don't confuse issues. Me say, and this is for any tier. One will lose you, yes, oh, Yamma Kwesibochi report, no, Emede, no. And no, they are open. And secretly, to me, you saw the West clandestinely.
That's a report name, you know.
Kwesibochi report, normally, Yajuma Kenny. Almost catch him some communication in Yajuma. Omo kachira mu say mama no mu omo. Mama no akra mpo gitu mu say mo nkrofo no yakromfo because logistics ni sika no de kwa. Ono akra ama verdict. Wo se mo yakromfo. Wo se mo amukasa mo ye lame dog. Eninti eno di lusu ye. Enti sanka mi akama edin. Mama no ama verdict. Kwasibotwe report re bi no. But when the wo mu asha da kofa obi say fama yen. And no propaganda any wicked you say hate propaganda. And no mama hihye no e bi no. But me nia de pese me kam ye ti ase ni say. Eke so ni immune system. Oni padua kwa no a ekutia yade. Nya sa na meka no. Oni mi say bibi kan say pe wa ho odi ni ho no mbiem. So no we say omo ba no na akufu ade sembe no man kan fa ne ho. Enti say na dis ni kura be gino no be kase na akufu ado ya ade a. Kan ye sabi nyame kura be ba ne. Because they no omo dwene no. Enje di pa kwan ni nyame akwan. Ene nyame se bra no wi aduro no. Meto na akufu ado pono matamfo anim. And wato ne pono matamfo anim. Ene nti dia be bio na mo beka. The only thing I say all day, but if I were MP NDC, I was saying to review with communication. Because Kwasibotwe report stated say more communication, personality attack and the propaganda name calling, it also cost you. I'm not Kufuado Kasa made one district, one factory, beba. Meba, na what you na Kufuado, I say. I'm not Kufuado Kasa, ya di free SH bebano, Namudina Tim say. I'm not Kufuado, all can near Mahudu Buagana for Namudina Tim. Intimon Sessa, Yafum Bonnie Nimsamasa. You are talking about corruption. Office club with Timo and Kasa. No, a corrupt and send a presidential candidate. Ebano. Chairman Ghana.
No corrupt here in India.
Oh, say
office no what's in a corrupt.
No, you be saw myself office no. Why the Sima?
Why we some question?
Who crack a movie?
Man, we have been
Ghana journalist.
Main cast Musa question.
Oh, Musa, are you not part of the journalist?
But me Musa question.
What do you mean? No, Kasa, so you are playing the answer with the city. You know it.
As well, why the way
I'm going to Musa Brandt is a Kasa and Mudisi. Mudia Coco, Unifa.
Near Kasa $20 million.
Mudia Coco, and no buy 2 years pepper Ghana for 100 mono. Yamo Bediano, Obia Copo will drab us on puffing. Oba ye na won trans ye na wusi office ma ho krati musi ni sei sika no ko fa ne hifa mo office no krade atosom ye no mo candidate odi mo ni mu rankasa no ene adon committee so say ye te committees ye hwehwem ana report na ma na professor miss wu ye eti die be pa corruption sankika mu ana ye kika ne
sa committee na ne friend say who was leading the committee
o say
sa committee na one led committee
busa matiamidu
lebu na they come asem
oh me na be
busa matiamidu the vet they say
busa matiamidu media crowd dey metimi a
okay ono kwa say perception
if o say
okay say perception
why they say perception
matiamidu
oh matiamidu can handle perception matiamidu can handle perception
okay parliament
matiamidu can handle perception o say okay he then
so say some corrupt related cases only to former president so
no can say
perception
and no say dey
what you improve
and he one so one can sabrante can say me say ensem bi e ka bepem ne or the saying Nana Kufuado ma Eugene Enfa report ma bonti
yeah as a communication expert you fan say akwaku de woni
ma kwa betra ha
o na we say your communication
ya send read dem ya so between
director for the party
oh no problem
na obi aka na ni nyina so a
me ni nyina so ni say no me so don't this thing oh yes na no oh yes no you are attacking my person
no I will never do that you know I never
no some jokes are expensive me
I'm not joking
I'm sure listen to me Mr. What say and so kika no ubusa no say maybe I'm not going to go that way but the valid point of making and say you deny him far e mabontin so if it's anything to go by there somehow or can you know ebepem ne your mama bie na no wo ho da no I'm not saying so one no asem de nam so bebu a obem one no asem so de nam bebu afo but more importantly no this discussion no and say ye wie obro betumi atu anam a say we and yetimi aye matro ne ma yetimi
aye message kaka na fe yenko enim way from shift man atonsu was say the NDC's press conference was a complete waste of time and energy. All their desperate attempts to tag this Akufo-Addo administration as corrupt has been fiasco. So they should get serious and offer Ghanaians a responsible position. Ghana is working again. Bibia Beye fine. Ahmed Ramadan, Adumakun, I'm really dodo of you as a Ghanaian. Jet Yati, you brought all these acts, but you are using the same act to steal from Ghanaians. Why are you doing that, MPP? Change your ways. Danso Samuel. In fact, these two political parties are disaster and have nothing good to offer us Ghanaians. Most of us need to avoid them, but we don't have a third political force. That is the only problem we have. But God will make a way. A different and decent political party will come. But style at GH, Osadumako is just making my noise. I won't read it. Or say it's not about we set up this or we set up that. The special prosecutor has just become like a drunk gate man. He sees a thief as the owner of the house and nothing happens and the thief ends up stealing what he came to steal. Adam Nsroma, please, presenter, can you ask the GS, please, okay, GS director was supposed to meet him, but one or two things didn't go down well, so maybe we've rescheduled it. In time, so no friend Kwame Ross, so we are saying MPP is corrupt. Please, can you opposition take them to court, whether here or out of Ghana, for them to be jailed? Hey, jail party now. Adekye Nsroma is confused. He's the party. I don't understand a bit of what he's trying to say. Adekye, come again. Kwesi Prempeh Bonsu. Mahama didn't lose the election, but he was sacked by Ghanaians by 1 million votes per. Nate Ernest Niboy, I love this man. This government hates truth. That's why they hate anyone who speaks the truth against this government. God bless you. President is an epitome of corruption. God will meet him 2020 because we will not vote for him. Let me do the last one. Ahmed Ramadan. Is Adekye Nsroma there talking about corruption or what? All these kind of people are leading us as a nation. Me, I still think MPP is the most corrupt political party, and so we should make sure we vote them out come 2020. Alex?
I've been free. Adekye Nsroma makes the point.
Yeah, time now.
No problem.
50 minutes.
I say, President Akufo-Addo committee be investigating it. I know Omubuye say you was short memory. Okay, I into committee. Set up by your own party in opposition. I indicted President Akufo-Addo. Say party ni seek $100,000 could in woman needed to go UK. Or he into committee investigated President Akufo-Addo. It is what you Obeka say. And a committee be investigating it that. And a committee ya kai wo. Obeka say President Mahama Abusuafo and omkoye deal. Ora fi ho. Mo party headquarters na esi ho no. Ora kenoforiata president ni ma minuaba. One fan could see 2 million Prudential Bank. A Prudential Bank for Trom say, Sikanma Metua, or Mobile Farm Party Office. And son, I can overreact us or no abetia, no one acquires that transaction. President Abusian phone on Comotomo Party Nedino. Near President Akufo-Addo Abusian phone and Ketomo Party Nedino. Yanamokasi was short memory. Again, he makes another point too. Nipa 21. Now me so bobo. Answer for no jail list in bobo. Because ebi mu nye former appointees. Ebi civil servants. And the Storms in Mukesi, Senate. Apart from the Storms, I know a board chairman, Senate. Omo Makenina, they are civil servants. Ebi Mukra that's who Senator Moye Juma. Now it's here, I generalizing. Because President, it is what the president said. President was specific, was say former government officials, and I'm a boy. Former government officials. And who can work and you rush Edu Agungu, or a former appointee, or a businessman. And Timo can, Namunya baby, and can fire Munyai. Again, Eke, Ubusa a very brilliant question. Yamin Shrao. Ubusa say the fight against corruption na Ghana for Ubusado. And only say the former appointees be 21 Kojina court. After no person withdraw. Say normal would you go commitment who shows say oh kunkata proya was made the matam for Kojina court. Now wadofu no mu ye bi ne. Eke, wadofu no mu nsasim, omo na nsim omo so bokro no ni bi ne. Eno de what can say? I don't think yes so ye clearing agent. Wadofo no a wa party fo a waka omo ahye okukum no a omo bokro no anu aye din no omo de ne na ye ka say wo ye clearing agent wo ye corruption Musejo Ramos hwe NYA scandal here by say yes ko frupo na yi bob say AK ye tie me kwa ko yi bob free ayim de bob fu frash ma na etu ameka 9,000 Ghana cedis NYA 4.5 million. Say mean some bob ye training me say the message some bob and on ye to make 90 million OCDs. Now professional electricians come here more ECG no cra bosume so market to say. Eke wo de no to a. Also NDC for consultants be was South Africa no mo say omo ba be target President Akufo-Addo corruption. Assembly be wa ba bia why communication do can why careful. Corruption allegations are cause wa ban we mu. NDC for na what I want to disprove me say and this in you. Ma prove your trail say corruption allegations are bad now are being made by your own people and people who have no connections with the opposition party. It by Ora Adekye Nsroma logic no. Professor Mate NDC ni. Professor Mate wa NDC ni. Oka say appointees say wa ban we mu corrupt no. Wo logic ni say wa man no NDC party card. President Akufo-Addo now Becca say American renegotiated deal no, or he was misled by one executive secretary ne Oluwabuachi Ajakomo no. Almost so adani NDC for. Ghana Cylinder Manufacturing Company for border almost suspending Mami Francis CCM Omadani NDC. Danish ambassador Wadani NDC. US ambassador Wadani NDC. Netherlands ambassador Wadani NDC. Reverend Awoche Owusu die nansen okasa na video ko viral no. Ono so Wadani NDC. Edu baby amon credit Ghana for with some level of intelligence. Obribu ahensem wia 5 million cedis the choir delegate conference or NDC.
Well, you should have movie.
No so omo ye de omo fire it is Steve. It is Steve. It is taxpayers money. Emra bia ni wo a wo krom high makwan. Say party over government party need to make the nisa bo abansi.
But he did not use the word stolen.
Yes, but I am using it.
But it's wrong.
It is Steve. Do you know why it is Steve? Because I am menu usika. Menu usika nya dey fund the MPP activities. Not the deputy general secretary say omudo omusa ko bom of Flagstaff Asafa akodi de ya na say man 1,000 pa wotia so NDC ni Kennedy Japan beka say more inflate Ghana card or the 50 million investors 50 million beji $50 million pay $50 million pay more inflated yako $1.2 billion no onu so adani NDC ni o say mo di booking fee of $20,000 for Flagstaff House no or NDC ni. And we are sitting here and are blindly who defend the idea. Allegations are here, Manase more Modu Manua Tum, say a bad way, a corrupt lawyer and this. Eke also yan central ni mekana so me ababa Franklin Kujo a ode na no tum say aban we corrupt or yan this ni. Enye Ghana for na ekasa mo ye corrupt o. Tie ni ye. Na muntie futuo na munyai say mamam ho so ayeka bibia na yan this no. Franklin Kujo be yan this ni da ben. Manase be yan this ni da ben. O ka for gift nya Manase na e de buy. Anas a investigative piece twice. Ibon Crow for court on video taking monies. Anas adani NDC ni all of a sudden because ene de oye ne tiamo. Tama no oye bi tia amanfo de na mo born abaso President Akufo-Addo me ba me be ya Anas principle. Ene Anas ne na amanfo mu dimirika Stephen Adeti. One ti tape a one Owura Rosimbukari no o bribe no man moto. A reject here no mo tata Stephen Adeti. Me no ka say Ahmed Swali number 12 on check form. Yemku no. Me busaw na corruption say na me kan say mi chiro say corruption enye financial corruption ko eba moral ya obetimi ay corrupt yeti kroma bugri na bu o se mo ama points mami otukoja ba ne Rosimbukari ne fo apam ekum former chairman Mahama Adams je na President Akufo-Addo ayafa ho Kennedy Japan therefore ya mo MP o se sexy don agina court abo ni President Akufo-Addo din so mo ne bo ne pa ku JB dan kwa mo MP enye corruption 800,000 na muka say mo dey kwa create website 800,000 Peace FM online ada bia amanfo guso traffic achi amanfo ye news wo so mu create mu tuasen ni etikroma ya di 8 billion special initiative for website 8 billion 800,000 minority anchimo a kam be ka say ye nifaso na ye zero ba ko kan ensem ama listing nyina wu adoma ko ba fitie mi ye ba ko kura no ye ndisi na kofa bae PDS ye na kofa bae energy minister ene sem abokro no wu wa wunia retinya ma na sem abokro no wu Ambusdary committee e dey about sem abokro no wu Ambusdary so ye ndisi ni at least credit us with some level of intelligence and now me no tie ya to lorry fame by 10% check ya to petrol mu or government mu wa ba wo be bre ho ase akansem de ama the people of Ghana hope wo tia na wo tro tantrum and Mahama ye say and na no ne ye ka de nsam anya hotama kro ne rekubro be maka fa mu ye wo ka se refi Dr. Rekubro be Saturday ya on news file o say mu make billionaires out of dubious and fraudulent contracts. Dr. Charles Rekubro be ono so kasa ma suspended no Katrem say was suspended no. Otia, we are buying. You should be listening all the time, pa. Now we kasa nim time akasa. What you say? You should be listening to yourself. We are buying. Be receptive to criticisms. What you say? She, sa enipa 21 nyina, they are your opponents. No man pani kasa ono de. O person de mra ye adwuma, ma menka an krebi nkyerɛ. Wo busa ho da say de enti na constitution no, omo tro ye no. Omo de say mu say o ye man pani a, utimi appointed. As also G position at any time without giving reasons. What was that? It is because see a two abane the mouse say we Ghana man penia. And I'm so any papa ku penti. Now unti min chicho mu say me education minister, me lands minister, me age no. To me out the bemo bibia so kwese adwuma ogina wudi mu. To me mu no oye. enti se nipa no oda so de na nim nya of ekura timi gi no o ma reason bia enu nti na obeka ya former president Mahama ti kesi e wi adwe gonja ni di se konkon tenten gram no ne wo fe no Vicky Hammer eko ni tape pie ya wo so ope $1 million ato na account so okay eno no chem investigation bi e bo no na e kro no obi ka ni dreams but president Mahama hu se da bi baby a wotene ni abansi ka fa o table so no a wo pay $1 million no se me check salary craft for years NOS gracia $1 million na duru enti ma hwe ya do sa bebo abansi kam en wo yi no ada na Vicky Hammer akoko tanka se o mampani an follow due process ade bi wa wani tuamu se eye kro no ensem fata o man ne kasa ho wo tumi so obeji no ehia court and now you're president, I am out to me. Say, we bet me appointed, we bet me as a Jinipano without recourse to anything, Nippon to me challenge it. And nothing was you, but Chedako, you can't for reason, brow the reason by. And you add no more, my canon. Pios Ajidemo, Mammy Francis is here. What I say, Mammy, I will come to more. Or more, or woman, add then or almost apply the same thing. Not only you, because Wadanen who clearing the agent. A classical case, medicine Owura Kenoforiata, 2.25 billion bond. Sad report in so can be. Page 138, page 139. Sad say, Wabubu Public Financial Management Act in so. Owura Kenoforiata, President Maminia. In fact, as also say, the asset declaration, you will numa quobia, one found Ghana for say or interest womb and almost listed. Mama Charlotte say, "Nye procurement breaches in Tinotifi." Charlotte say, "Nye procurement breaches in Tinotifi." But President, ye ne mama nuaba. Mate kwase ese na nso okaso be reshuffle pe na ne wofa no free chebiaba e na wunim say atachia wuyi na se na busuafo project ya wo yi
ana uchi friend
je met okaso wati bi no wo de wonte okaso Cladan Stanley no omo yakọ South Africa meso me meso mate say oye so be reshuffle na busuafo free chebi frantuma chow e na ko yi ke no foriata e dan ya wo si na busuafo ye be ye ko yi atachia se ye be ye wuyi asante be die tu a abusuan be ye dai so mo say en bonyam na president aka ne sa hye ndam fam ontimi nye
so ara adwa ko be fitu aso ne nko
menia kasa tentu mu mpam fom so
entopo nko so
na akufu ado na nkasa no o so free chebi na so no adi president na so mo hye na science fom so no o musi ntia no no yi no ho asi nchen en ye said ya wo kesen kan fa so chebi fo benya no na akufu ado free so no benya on sa sem be copy me de toso mienu kasa tentie mu mpam fom so no okoka Victoria Hamade no e kan Victoria Hamasa kan say me boss ayo mane boa ma me ne adwuma tape no so kra ne sika a waje nya bi nie mama tape no ye ho de excuse me o kasa mi
bagazo waje
Alex you don't respect
dia to so biem also no e kasa no afei wa vindicate na akufu ado say why ye yi wo mo wa che da ye yi no you cited the instances once someone America ominia what kind of
ntino yi no
o kan tuma beboa
mpacho manenka
ba mo on kan sem mo on kan sem
mo kan sem o kan gumi so ani ade
ya di
on said
but Vicky Hammer
state papa na nimu ase
boy say on mane boa madino
was sem the boss man no it is not true want o say me boss cram ni ye adwuma no wono no wagi billions competitive no debo oboa opa na week wo be competitive no bebo
tape no buy na Peace FM Meet FM and the break it story no I listened to the tape. He never said that.
Oh,
she never
said
no.
Me so me damage you for no. You appear different person today. No. Mama come say
there was nothing of that.
He made mention of the boss. Miss me tape. Miss No, you are just canceling because they for. Tape na ba. I'm gonna break it. Source ni.
Alex, please.
I wouldn't break. Me say tape no. I listen. I tell for so more money inside the boss on the adwuma forget me say me to an tie okay
you cancer in cheche mu
asema okay what na asema okay nya adan suma be no
oh David so what you
are the host and I'm also representing my party no let us
come in church here
let us come in
clarify the moderator. What you say?
Let us show justice.
It's
all Kasam Obonidi, maybe say Obonidi. So who want Afed Wadiatum? There you are.
Don't listen to me.
Afed Wadiatum.
Obonidi say, yeah, course one, and now you lead in the ministry, one, and the deputies in the ministry, one day the boss, what to be in Kusanto.
Hey, Mr. Don't go there. She went further to say something. No. You damn it, for Yamasu but I'm not going to waste my time on that. Let's go on. Mr. Stop that. They are tossing you. On one cast into you, what vindicated President Kufuor say he has the power to appoint into why you were you almost into and also son of what you know. And only attempt to be a your fire on 20. What dear back because of okay, Mr. The M. Wow. Men can't say
Alex, Mr.
Oba ne try your program no. Oba, we know how to do and now to one more. Testify your respect. This is a big
no, stop that. Why do you talk like that?
Why shouldn't I talk like that? All Kasamaye Dimitri, I don't know so man Kwame yes. Repeatedly, I've done that.
No, please.
Is there a kind of this thing? Stop that. Okay, Minian, I dislike that.
No, you shouldn't.
No, stop that. No. Mame Kasa. Manusu Yedi. People are judging.
I've been watching you so many times. Even you attack Jakonama.
No, your integrity is at stake. My integrity is at stake. Your integrity is at stake.
If you are talking about integrity, integrity is not
the advice I'm giving you, Mr. Wanimonyam is at stake. Miss Monyam is at stake. Yamimeka and Yanukreno. Yabeti, the also Baka, and in your bay, you know, Mr. Young found that. But who can I remember? Oh, Mr. I don't know. Yamimeka. I got 2 minutes. Oh, is that so? And your Betman Majai. Sir. Maybe that is a plan you've taken. No problem. Babet Majai. Babin Trasso. Because I see a they are tossing you. Young person, Meka, MSF winner, and he say. Or he didn't tow. But beyond what he told committee, and that in the Kufuado. And Yanukre. And none I make catch or say, Wamu. Office wa buntu obi so abo ye that in na kufu ado biada but mama yes committee ate ye no under Professor Mills no report no pa manu hu ye na koka sem ye nti amasuali wawu enti sa na tie dia JB dan kwa wu wo time no and it this JB dan kwa de court nya bota me ba say don do akoko tem omampani na kufu ado na
Alex you also no be fair to us no okasa Mr.
Ekimi ba Sesana Tiadia, JB down Kawuye no. Sign this for parliament for us.
I am not sure joining.
Yes, is it logical? Does it make sense? Some Rashabe Johnny a goo. And na sense train you with your buy out so. Eke would you we say your fair no tour. Oh dear no so a twin chenya. And small walking no or kika we say the point in say 27 years of PNDC and DC and a more ben and more true. Eke what makabako. On to mean kind. And the massacre you say your opposition as some of your for a bad with Jinem. Most of some opposition about Moka, Emra Enchi, because you're more. The toss of your side can pass what he said. Any part 21 American 17 or no certain question. Any panel, Saudi, if it's anything, Mibusao, Ekusha Adioha. Said nam Christ Tamaklu. I know that Nathan or that Maslow. Eke Uba, a year NCA, Eugene Bafu Bonnie, and you're on a dano. Oba, a year venture capital, Daniel Duku, you're on a dano. Sauba Slater and the Thompson, you're no dano. Sauba Coco Border, Stephen Opuni, you're on a dano. So, Mama can you now cry your civil servants now? As per this, if was some side, you know, proofread, you know, who appointed.
But the bottom line is
common logic,
they've not been convicted.
Common reason, Mr. Eke. Na de no original court to cry there be onam see okosi ide neke one no cry no so anya bonia and some yakeka no way. Then let's come to the issues of Manasi nomni ade me I respect them. And if they get me then say
that in 1 minute upon
me they me then say you've not insulted them but we di one matter and them we just suffer between the same as suffer no. Oh, na samba akon aka ye mesere ye bia mo opposition na fe mo dwene ho dia wo se wo power wo se obre ho ase meji tumti dia bre ho ase no ye nkase ye domfunu
na what attack you
you should keep quiet Mr. Okay Mr. I dislike that worry okay ya pesa meka there be all serious idea now it seems that there's kababi then na Mr. Kosmaka because how or kasam ye din me the respect man e de mo me wie no okay the person make
unfortunately hana edbc say common bi dia na ebi aka kiro ya oduma ko ba fi communication team member of the MPP ono so kasa bi and Alex Asafo Jane so deputy regional communication officer Emma opposition NDC Ewa Ashanti region. Me so ye Kwame Edita Kasama Despite Group. A production team with them was saying I mean show be Mr. Stephen Charles Kwame Sian. We wish you all the best. One of your cuckoos and a new baby no more bad there. I mean at the mobile draws from the Yami say. Yami Boachna, the best Shiana, I dream Ghana, way and Common Kwane or Donny and Yana, yes, share your dream Ghana production team. I mean Shamu Boom, the best share. Bye bye.